Hello students, welcome back to your online class. Now I am going to teach language to the students of standard 7. This is lesson number 18, phrases. So what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words in a sentence that gives a meaning but does not give complete sense to the sentence. So, a group of words that conveys some meaning but not complete sense is called a phrase. So, in a sentence, phrase needs some other words also to complete the meaning of a particular sentence. Like for example, he arrived at that moment. So, at that moment is a phrase. So, at that moment gives some meaning, but the meaning is not complete. So, he arrived at that moment. If we add these two words also to it, then it gives complete meaning in this sentence. Similarly, he wore a turban made of silk. So, made of silk is a phrase. It gives a meaning that something is made of silk, but not the complete meaning in the sentence. So, he wore a turban made of silk. Likewise, I like to see a face with a smile on it. With a smile on it, this is phrase again. So, this phrase, some other words are also there, like I like to see a face with a smile. The meaning is complete in this sentence. Then we went out for tea in the afternoon. So, in the afternoon gives you some meaning. It gives a sense but does not give complete sense in the sentence. So, some other words are also added to it to complete the meaning in the sentence. Now, one thing you see that in a phrase, it does not have a finite verb or a subject of its own. Okay, it does not have a finite verb. Finite and non-finite verbs you have read in the previous chapter. So, like see, he arrived. Here arrived is a finite verb, but at that moment here no finite verb is there, neither any subject is there. So, a phrase does not have a finite verb or a subject of its own. So, it gives a sense but does not give complete sense. Now, we will see the different types of phrases. Now, there are three different types of phrases. First one is adjective phrase, second one is adverb phrase, and the third one is noun phrase. Now, from this word itself you can understand adjective phrase we say when we say that means this phrase, that group of word does the work of an adjective in a sentence. Like see, the chief lived in a stone house. So in this sentence stone is there, stone. So this stone is what? Stone is adjective over here, stone house. So stone is adjective. Now instead of this stone, instead of this adjective, we can use a phrase, that means a group of word, like the chief lived in a house made of stone. So here made of stone is written instead of this adjective stone. So made of stone is a phrase and here it acts as an adjective phrase because here it does the work of an adjective. Then see, she wore a red frock. Again here red is adjective over here. So when we want to change this adjective into adjective phrase, how will we do? See, she wore a frock of red color. Now of red color is a phrase. Instead of red we have written of red color. So here again it acts as an adjective. It does the work of an adjective. So this is adjective phrase. When it does the work of adjective, the phrase, if it does the work of adjective, it is known as adjective phrase. Now next one is adverb phrase. Now what is adverb phrase? Adverb phrase does the work of an adverb in a sentence. Like, he answered rudely. Now which is adverb over here? Rudely. Now instead of this one word adverb, if we use a group of words, here this is a phrase. So he answered in a rude manner. So in a rude manner is adverb phrase because it acts here as an adverb. Okay, it does the work of an adverb. So instead of rudely, we are writing in a rude manner. So here, what is the work done by this phrase? It's the work of an adverb. So this is known as adverb phrase. Like, see, he is coming now. Now is adverb over here. Now instead of this one word now, we have written a phrase over here. He is coming at this moment. So now instead of noun, at this moment. At this moment is a group of word. It gives you some meaning. That means now. So this is adverb phrase. It's again doing the work of an adverb. So this is adverb phrase. Then the third one is noun phrase. Similarly, noun phrase does the work of a noun in a sentence. If it is acting like a noun in a sentence, that group of word, then that means that this is noun phrase. Like, suppose, to win a prize is my ambition. So to win a prize, this is noun. Something is there, that is your ambition. Now what is that? That is, here it is acting as a noun. What is your ambition? To win a prize. So to win a prize is my ambition. So here to win a prize is a phrase. Here it is acting as a noun. So this is known as noun phrase. He hopes to win the first prize. So what he hopes? To win the first prize. So here again it is something that he hopes for, to win the first prize. So this is again acting as a noun. So this is noun phrase. She wants to go home. So she wants something. What she wants? To go home. So to go home is again acting here as a noun. So this is known as noun phrase. So this is all about phrases and the different types of phrases: adjective phrase, adverb phrase and noun phrase. That's all. Thank you.